Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about 0-1 knapsack problem. So at the end of the video you will only tell this was the most easy way of solving the 0-1 knapsack problem. That like I will teach you. So they have given the question, apply the dynamic programming method to following instance of the knapsack problem with capacity m is equal to 5. So they have given the capacity m is equal to 5. So now we must solve using this table. So we will write the capacity m this side, capacity m. So start from, if they have given the capacity 5, I can fill 5. For example, if there is a container of 5 liter capacity, I can fill 5 liter, I can fill 4 liter, 3 liter, 2 liter and also 0. That means I will not fill anything only. So we must start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we filled the capacity. Next, what they have given? The items 1, 2, 3, 4. That like only. When I fill 0 capacity, that is if I didn't fill the container only. So what will be the item? No item will be filled. So 0. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now write the profit and the weight given in the table. First write this side profit. Next this side you write weight. At 0, that is if I didn't fill any of the item, its value will be 0. So don't write any profit or weight. So for the 1, for first item, what is the profit? Profit is 12, weight is 2. For the second item, profit is 10, weight is 1. For the third item, profit is 20, weight is 3. For the fourth item, profit is 15, weight is 2. So now we constructed the table. Now we must fill the values within the table. So first, if I didn't fill any item, whatever the capacity, it will be 0. The capacity is 0. That is, if the container capacity is 0, you cannot fill any item only. That like only. Therefore, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now this much is over. Next, what is the capacity? 1. For the first item, capacity is 1, but the weight of the item is 2. So there is a 1 liter container, but you must fill 2 liter. You must fill 2 liter or you should not fill 2 liter. You cannot fill half of them, that like. So the capacity is 1, but the weight is 2. You cannot fill. So you can write 0. Next, the capacity is 2, the weight is 2. Okay, you can fill this item, but you must write the value of its profit. What is the profit value? 12. Next, capacity of the container is 3, weight is 2. You can fill? Yes, I can fill. So the profit is 12. Next, capacity is 4. You can fill the item with weight 2. So the profit is 12. Now, capacity is 5, weight is 2. You can fill now. The profit is 12. Now this much is over. Only this much is remaining. While considering the second item, you must also consider this full item. That is 0, 1, 2. That is, if you take 0, it's all values are 0. You can leave that. But you must consider, while taking the second item, you must also consider the first item also. Therefore, so what is the capacity? 1. You can fill the second item because its weight is equal to 1. 1 liter capacity is there. You can fill 1 liter item, no? So 1 liter, 1 capacity, weight is also 1. Therefore, I can fill the second item. Second item's profit is 10. Next, capacity is 2 and weight is 1. I can't fill the second item. But I said you must consider first item also during the second item consideration. First item weight is 2. Capacity is 2. So I can directly fill the first item. Its profit is 12. Next, capacity is 3. I can fill the second item because its weight is 1, and I can also fill the first item because its weight is 2. So if I combine also, that is if I combine first object and second object, first item and second item, its weight will be equal to 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So I can fill the both of them in the capacity 3. Therefore, since I am filling both of them, I must add the profits of both of them. 10 plus 12 will be 22. Next, for the 4 capacity, can I fill 3? That is both of them? Yes, I can fill 22. For the 5 capacity, I can fill both of them 22. Next, only these much are remaining. Now, while considering the third item, we must consider all of the above, that also. Second object also, first object also. Capacity is 1. Therefore, I can't fill the third item because its weight is 3. I can fill the second item because its weight is equal to 1. So, I can fill second item. Its profit is 10. Next, 2. Capacity is 2. I can fill the first item. Therefore, its profit is 12. 3. I can either fill this profit, that is third item. I can fill the third item with its profit 20, or I can fill 2 plus 1. So that is 2 plus 1, whose profit will be 22. So I must choose in the way that maximum profit will be chosen. Therefore, I will put the second item and first item into this capacity 3. Therefore, its total profit is equal to 22. The capacity is equal to 4. While the capacity is equal to 4, I can fill 3 also, 1 also, 2 also. But I must fill in a way that there must be the maximum profit. Therefore, what I will do, I will add the third item and second item. Third item with second item. Their weights are 3 and 1. Therefore, 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So we got 4 and capacity is also 4. We can fill them. So what are the profit of third item and second item? 10 plus 20, that is 30. Now the capacity is equal to 5. Since capacity is equal to 5, I must choose in a way that maximum profit must be filled right here. Therefore, I can add third item and first item because their weights are 3 and 2. If I add them, 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5. Therefore, what are their profit? 20 plus 12, 22. While considering this row, we will be considering the full items, that is fourth item, third item, second item, first item also. Now, capacity is 1. I can directly fill the second item because its weight is equal to 1. What is its profit? 10. Next, since the capacity is 2, I can directly fill the first item. That is, its capacity is because its capacity, since now capacity is equal to 2. So in this case, I can fill 2 objects. That is, either I can fill the first object whose weight is equal to 2, or I can fill the fourth object whose weight is equal to 2. But I will choose in a way that the maximum profit will be written in this box. So this profit is equal to 15. Object's 1 profit is equal to 12. Whose profit is more? Fourth object's profit is more. So I will fill 15 right here. Next, capacity is equal to 3. How can you write 3? You can take the third item directly, or you can combine fourth item and second item, or you can combine first item and second item. Because third item weight is 3, you can fill in the capacity 3. Fourth item plus second item, 2 plus 1 is the weight, therefore 3. Maximum capacity is 3, you can fill 3. Next, second item and first item. 2 plus 1 will be 3. So therefore capacity is also 3, you can fill. So I must fill in a way that maximum profit will be stored right there. For the third item, directly weight is equal to 3, profit is equal to 20. For 4 plus 2, fourth item plus second item, profit will be 15 plus 10, that is 25. For the first and second item, 12 plus 10, 22. So 20, 25, 22. What is the maximum profit? 25. So I will write 25 by choosing the fourth and the second object or the item. Next, only 2 boxes are remaining. Capacity is equal to 4. While capacity is equal to 4, either you can add the third item and second item. Third item with second item, because 3 plus 1 will be 4. Or you can add fourth item and first item. Or fourth item with first item, because 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So what will be the value? Fourth item and first item. 2 plus 2 is 4. Its weight will be 12 plus 15. That is 27. Next, for the third item and second item, 3 plus 1. Weight will be 4. Capacity is 4. You can fill it. So profit will be 20 plus 10 will be 30. Maximum profit among these two is 30. So I will choose the item 3 added with the second item. Therefore the profit will be 30. Now last only one is remaining, that is 5. Capacity is equal to 5. How can you fill? 3 plus 2, that is third item with fourth item, or third item with first item, or third item with first item, because weight is 3, here weight is 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. Here at starting, third item and fourth item, 3 plus 2, weight is 5. Or else another possible way is fourth item, second item and first item. Fourth with second with first, because 2 plus 1 will be 3. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Like that. So 3 possible ways are there. Let's find the maximum profit. Third item and fourth item. 20 plus 15 is equal to 35. For third item and first item, 12 plus 20 will be 22. For fourth item plus second item plus first item, 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 12, 37. Among these three values, what is the maximum profit? 37. So I will fill the value 37. So I earlier said that this is the 0-1 knapsack problem. You should keep the output in the zeros and ones. Now what are the items we have used? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items we have used. So I will write items as items is equal to, therefore x1 is the first item, x2 is second item, x3 is third item, x4 is fourth item. To get 37, that is the last box, what we have used? Here see 37, fourth item, second item, first item. Fourth item, second item and first item. So at that place I will put 1. Fourth item I have used, second item I have used and first item I have used. I didn't use the third item. So this is the representation of 0-1 knapsack problem. So why I took 37, that is last box, means this is considered as the total profit. So the total profit or the optimal solution. Optimal solution. To get this one, which and all item I used? Fourth, second and first. I didn't use third item, so I put 0 for this. So we represented the final answer in a way that zeros and ones. So this is called as the 0-1 knapsack problem. Hope you understood the concept of 0-1 knapsack problem. If you like the video, please comment in the comment section what you liked about the video, and please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Thank you.